Hi friends, in this video we will see about the interfaces that is in the TypeScript, that is introduced in the TypeScript only. So why? Because in the vanilla JavaScript or in the ES6 we don't have the concept of interfaces, but in the TypeScript we have the concept of interfaces. So what is this interface and what is the use of the interface? We will see in a simple example. Okay, in a simple way what we can say is interface is nothing but it defines the structure of an object. Okay, whenever we want to define the structure of an object, we can implement the object structure using this interface. So how we can represent this one, we will see. So in the previous videos we have seen in the TypeScript types, we have seen the types of an object, we have seen how we can declare the types of an object, right? So we can declare that one using an interface also. So how the interface will be very useful, we will be seeing. Now here this is my new file, main.ts file. So now what I can do is what I will try to do is, so let's create one object. Okay, I will create an object with the name person. Okay, the person will have name as Leela. Okay, as age as 30, and also I have one method something like hello, which will take a uh, phrase, okay, which is of type string, and it will just console.log. Okay, phrase and plus this dot name. Okay, this is a simple object what I am having. Now here if you see, if you hover here the person object, you'll be able to see that the type of the person, the type of the object, you will be able to see the object has a name of string and age of number, and hello is a method that is return type is void and it takes the phrase of string. Okay, you will be able to see. Now let's think that the person object is a blueprint thing. So this is the Leela object. Okay, Leela person. So this is the person. So this object is represents the Leela person. Okay, you think that name as a Leela. Okay, this guy's object is Leela person. So now any person, if another person is there, something like John or Don or some person is there, he has to implement name, age, and hello. These three things should be there. For example, now I will go here. I will create a John person. Okay, now I will create only name as John. I implemented this one and I left it. Okay, but we need to provide somehow what we can say, insist the object person that any person, any guy, if you are creating with a person, it should have name, age, and one method that is hello. So now here we are having only the name as string, the type only. Now what we can do is we can define the type here. In the previous, in the types we use this one, name as string. Okay, age as number, and another one hello, which takes the phrase as string, and it return type is void. Okay, we can define the type something like that. So and we can copy this one. So whoever we are implementing the person, we it should have these all the details we are implementing. Now we are getting John person, that name string is missing the following properties. It is saying that age number, age and hello is missing, it is saying. So somehow we are forcing the user to enter his age also. Okay, I can copy this method and I can use this method like this, so that John person, the error has gone away. That means, so any object if you are implementing with a person, means you need to implement this type of these properties all in. So all the time when you are typing this, all the objects, if you are typing this one, you need to implement this one like this flower brackets all the time. If you want to implement this one will be tedious job. So for this reason what we can do is we can create this structure thing someplace, so that whenever we need to use that structure, we can represent directly the name of that structure, so that everyone will be implementing that structure. So how to implement that one? So we can implement, so I already told you that interface thing, right? Interface defines the structure of an object. So this structure is nothing but the structure of an object, right? So we can create an interface for that. So now interface will be created using interface, and I will create any name something like person. Okay, you can give small letter or capital letter, but the proper way is we will be giving the capital letter all the time. So person. Now the person object, what we will be having, the structure of the object always it will be having the name string. You can copy this directly, whatever the thing you want, you can copy this one directly and you can paste it here. Okay, now the interface person, and here the object you want to implement that one, you can directly give the person instead of declaring all the things. Automatically this interface everything will be implemented here. Okay, the interface we are implementing here. So the error has gone away, Leela person. And also you can remove this one and you can already implement the person. Okay, if you don't implement any hello object or anything, you will get an error that you need to implement hello. Okay, so you can implement directly this one. This is how we can use the interface. Okay, interface thing. So we cannot, in the interface you will be having all the semicolons, you will not have something like comma or anything. And also you cannot, you will be not able to, you will be not mentioning this one as Leela or something like this. You will be not declaring the values. It just represents, the interface represents only the structure of an object. You have to remember the previous structure I told you, right? Previous implementation, how we can implement that one will be in duplicating the structure of the object. We are duplicating the structure of the object. For example, if you want to implement, you want to add another one, something like hobbies, you can add in one place here. In that old representation, you need to implement here Leela person, and also you need to implement in the John person also. So wherever you are using that object, all you need to implement. So in order to use it in a single place, we can use the concept of interface, so that we can define the structure of an object. Here we are having name, age, and hello, so that every object, when creating the object, whoever using this interface thing must has to implement this name, age, and hello. So now if I implement here something like what we can say, occupation or something like this, if I give as a string thing, now both the John and Leela will got an error. Why? Because we need to implement occupation for this guy. Okay, occupation I can mention something like this, and also I can mention the occupation also here. So in one place implementing, we can change the structure of an object. Okay, this is all about the interfaces in the TypeScript. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post a comment below to this video, so that I will give you the reply. And also if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.